Good morning students, welcome you again in your accountancy class. So in our last class we have discussed about the accounting assumptions like business entity concept, going concern concept, money measurement concept as well as accounting period concept. And today we will discuss the accounting principles provided by the GAAP. Most commonly used accounting principles that are provided by the GAAPs are dual aspect concept, revenue recognition concept, historical concept, matching concept, cost concept, and object evidence concept. Out of this, today we will discuss about the dual aspect concept and revenue realization concept. As we have already explained that the accounting principles provided by the GAAP are the general rules that are used while preparing accounts. These rules are generally developed from the real life experiences and changes in market situations over a period of time. Today we are going to discuss two commonly used concepts, that is dual aspect concept and revenue recognition concept. Here are the explanation. The first concept that we will discuss today is the number one is the dual aspect concept. Dual aspect concept. This dual aspect concept is the basis for every transaction that are recorded in the books of accounts. Books of accounts is jeman transaction record koribo tar basis to hoise a concept to. A concept to important hoy ami next unit to a concept upor base koriye discuss korim. The word dual means double. Duals mean double, and this concept assumes that each transaction has double effect. Potito transaction or ki thake double effect. Double effect mane eta is a benefit pai itue ki hobo, one is the receiver of the benefit, other one will be the giver of the benefit. For example, ami jodi sao purchase furniture in cash by a business organization. Business organization have cash purchase korise ki furniture. Yet furniture cash purchase kora loge loge yet receiver ki hoy ki receive korise, they received furniture, but at the same time they have to pay the cash. To receive the benefit of furniture, they have to sacrifice their cash. This aspect said that each and every transaction can be classified in such a way that it can affect, it has its double effect. Potito transaction ke ami eneke yar double effect ot convert koribo paro. Clear? Thora cash and contributed by the owner. Cash contributed by the owner. Owner is jodi business ot cash contribute kore. Yar double effect ki hobo? Eta hoise who invest the money? Owner invest the money. That will one effect is the capital comes into the business. Yeah, capital logote ki ahile? What he invest? He invest assets. Assets, that means in the form of cash. Duta effect ki hol? Eta hoise capital aru eta effect hoi gol tar ki assets. Clear? Buzi pala? Yet ki koise jikono transaction jenuka transaction e nohok potito transaction or ki thakibo double effect thakibo, and it effect in such a way that in each of the time assets of the business, assets means all the valuable properties of the business, is equal to capital. Capital means owner's investment plus liabilities. Liabilities mane ki asile amar outsiders obligation. Outsider jitu amar dibole ase, that is called liabilities. Ki koise a transaction or je double effect thake, double effect to keneke hobo ji holo assets ki thakibo hobe na, assets always equal to capital plus liabilities হৈ থাকিব এটো এটা আমি এটা proof কৰি দেখাব লাগিব যে assets always equal to capital plus liability this statement is given by this dual aspect concept এ প্ৰথমতে কৈছে যে প্ৰতিটো ট্ৰানজেকচনৰ কি থাকিব double effect and it effect in such a way that always assets equal to capital plus liabilities হৈ থাকিব তো আমি example 1 নো owner invested cash যেটো অলৰেডি মই কৈছিলো owner যদি cash invest কৰে okay rupees 5000 really so owner invested 5000 into the business it will increase the value of capital 5000 what he invests cash it will increase the value of assets 5000 yes liabilities ekku nai 0 yet so assets equal to capital plus liabilities is clear yet assets ki hoy cash the amount of cash that is invested by the owner capital is the money invested by the owner is to invest koriba hetu khoda capital and yet liabilities ekku nai liabilities 0 next transaction da loi loa took a loan from bank rupees 10000 took a loan from bank rupees 10000 bank or pra 10000 loan loisu bank or pa loan loisu kiman 10000 ki bahibo 10000 rupees already 5000 or cash asile yat amar cash kiman asile 5000 aru 10000 loi lolu cash kiman hoy gol amar 15000 আগৰ কিমান আছিল 5000 আৰু এটা বেংকৰ পৰা কিমান পালো 10000 টোটাল কিমান হৈ গল 15000 capital 5000 owners investment 5000 আছে and bank loan is a liability for the business because it should have to be paid to the outsider in a future period to liability কিমান হৈ গল আমাৰ 10000 এতিয়া সোৱা assets কিমান হল 15000 capital plus liabilities কিমান আছে 15000 আৰু এটা ট্ৰানজেকচন লৈ লোৱা লাগিলে furniture purchased in cash clear furniture is a assets to kiman rupees ধৰি লৈছো rupees 2000 to furniture is a assets to yet furniture ahi jabo kiman tokar furniture হৈ যাব rupees 2000 cash kiman আছিল already agor 15000 out of this 2000 we have to pay for the purchase of furniture so cash kiman thakibo 2000 golege 13000 total assets kiman hoy gol 15000 aru efale eku change hua nai capital 5000 ase liabilities ase kiman 10000 etiao so assets equal to ki capital plus liabilities buzi pala so what this aspect said that each and every transaction has double effect this double effect create an accounting equation known as assets equal to capital plus liabilities is equation to bana a equation to call accounting equation তো ট্রানজেকশন তো আমাক কি কলে যে প্ৰতিটো ট্রানজেকশনৰ এসপেক্টে কি কলে প্ৰতিটো ট্রানজেকশনৰ কি থাকিব ডাবল ইফেক্ট and this double effect create an accounting equation that is assets equal to capital plus liabilities clear সবে বুজি পাইছা ডাবল ইফেক্ট ডুয়াল এসপেক্ট কনসেপ্ট টু ডুয়াল এসপেক্ট কনসেপ্টৰ কি থাকে প্ৰতিটো ট্রানজেকশন যিমান ট্রানজেকশন আছে প্ৰতিটো ট্রানজেকশনৰে কি থাকে দুটা ইফেক্ট থাকে এটা যদি receiver effect eta thakibo giver eta jodi receiving the benefit effect thake eta giving the benefit effect thakibo ঠিক আছে সব বস্তুৰে কাবাৰ যদি প্ৰফিট হয় কাবাৰ লস হবই লাগিব কোনবা যদি গিভাৰ হয় কোনবা ৰিসিভাৰ হবই লাগিব ঠিক আছে কাবাৰ যদি কামছ ইন হৈছে কিবাটা বস্তু আহিছে কাবাৰ কাৰণে হেতু কি হ'ব লাগিব গোজ আউট কাবাৰ কাৰণে ওলাই যাবই লাগিব ঠিক ইয়াত হেতুৱে কৈছে যে প্ৰতিটো ট্ৰানজেকচনৰ কি থাকে ডাবল ইফেক্ট থাকে আৰু এই ডাবল ইফেক্ট ক্ৰিয়েট আ accounting equation that is assets equal to capital plus liabilities and this equation is known as accounting equation this accounting equation is developed by this dual aspect concept yar bikhoye ami ako further third unit study korim aru yar logot related practical problem thakibo clear
so the dual aspect concept is the basis of the double entry system of accounting. On the basis of this aspect only, transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. According to this concept, each transaction has two aspects. That is the receiving aspect, receiving the benefit of aspect, and the giving the benefit on the other hand.
Second concept that will be discussed today is the revenue recognition concept. Revenue recognition concept. Now, what is revenue recognition concept? Before going to discuss about the revenue recognition concept, we should have the idea about what is revenue. Revenue means, agote ami first accounting terminologies at pohi aso. Revenue means inflow of money due to sale of goods and services. Revenue ki hoy? Inflow of money. Flow, paisa oha ketia? By sale of goods and services. Bostu bikri kori kunba eta business ot bostu bikri kori jitu paisa earn hoy, money earn hoy, tak ki boli koy? Revenue. Yes, or from some other services. Dhora ghor bhara dila, ghor bhara di pine jitu paisa paba hetu tumar karone inflow of money, or these are treated as revenue. Thik ase? Or tumi ki koribo para bostu bikri korisa, tetiao tumi ki paba tar against money flow hobo, tetiao hetu ki hobo? Revenue. Or tumi kiba service provide korisa, kiba service disa, catering service, food service, restaurant service, he service diar karone tumi jodi kiba pani ahise tumar business ot, he money khini ki boli kobo? Revenue. It should be received on a regular basis. Ki basis ot receive koribo lagibo? Regular basis ot. Inflow of money should be on regular basis. Clear? Revenue ki buzi pala? Now this concept said that when we should have to recognize this revenue. When that means when we should have to record this revenue. Recording of revenue. This concept said about the recording of or time of recording of revenue. Ketia ami record korim? As a revenue to ami recognize korilo, receive korilo, kuntu time ot ami record korim. Clear? Revenue recognition concept kar kotha kobo? It will say about the inflow, regular inflow of money from sale of goods and services. Clear? Next, it also said about the time when this revenue will be recorded in the books of accounts. Clear? Ketia etu ami record korim. For example, a revenue recognition concept to bujabor karone mata example disu thora. Example ta disu. Sale of goods. Ami dukanor bostu bikri korisu rupees 5,000 on 1st April 2020. Kuntu date ot bikri korisu? Sale of goods on rupees 5,000 on 1st April 2020. But against this sale, we have received the money from the customer. Received money, rupees 5,000 on 4th April 2020. Ketia receive korisu money to 2020 4th April. Sale korisilu ketia? Kuninahan transfer korisu ownership. Sale means transferring the ownership from one person to the another. Ami jetia sale korisu, sale date to ki 1st April 2020. Aru paisa to ketia receive korisu? 4th April 2020. Now the time when we will record this money. This is the amount of revenue. Revenue is the amount of 5,000. This 5,000 we should have to record in the books of accounts. But when? 1 tarikhe likhim, 1st April likhim, na 4th likhim. As per this revenue recognition concept, revenue should be recorded on the date when the ownership transferred to the other party. Kuntu date ami sale korisu? Ownership kuninahan change hoise? On 1st April. Sale korisu mane hedinakhone ami di dilu bostutu. Ami kuntu date ot likhim? 1st April ot likhim. Because revenue recognition concept said that we should have to record the revenue on the date when the ownership of the goods transferred to the other party. Instead of receiving the cash, receiving the money against this sale. কোনটো ডেটৰ বাদে আমাক এটো ডেট নালাগে কোনটো ডেট নালাগে আমি কোন দিনাখন পইচা পাইছো আমি দৰকাৰ নাই আমাক লাগিব কোনটো ডেটত আমি যোনটো ডেটত সেল কৰিছো ক্লিয়াৰ আমি কোনটো ডেটত সেল কৰিছো 1st এপ্ৰিলত তো আমি কোনটো ডেটত লিখিম 1st এপ্ৰিলে লিখিম তাৰমানে ৰেভিনিউ ৰিকগনিশ্যন কনসেপ্ট ডিলস উইথ ৰেভিনিউ and its time of recording, and when we have to record this revenues we have to record this revenue at the time of transferring the ownership. Zetia ami ownership transfer korim against the sale ami zetia ownership transfer korim ami tetia likhim. Clear? Revenue recognition concept deals with the revenue. Revenue means regular inflow of money due to sale of goods and services. This revenue recognition concept also deals with the time of recording of revenue in the books of accounts. And as per this concept, they said that we have to record this transaction at the time of transferring the ownership against the sale. Jonto date ami ownership transfer korim jodi 1st April ownership transfer korisu sale korisu tar namot ownership likhi disu bostu to tetia hale 1st April likhim aru jodi 4th April ami ownership change korisu tetia hale ami 4th April likhim. Clear? Revenue recognition concept buji pala?
So the revenue recognition concept is an accounting principles under GAAP that determines the specific condition under which revenue is recognized or recorded in the books of account. Generally, revenue is recognized only when a specific criteria has been occurred and the amount of revenue is measurable. However, there are several situations in which exceptions may be applied. So this is the time to sum up the session. Today we have learned two aspects. One is dual aspect concept, which assumes that each and every transaction has a double effect. One is the receiving the benefit effect and another one is the giving the benefit. And second one is the revenue recognition concept, which assumes that we should record the revenue in the books of accounts at the time when the ownership of the goods transferred to the other party. Clear? So based on today's discussion, you can able to answer the following questions. Number 1, mention the principles applicable for the following statements. Situation A, revenue is generally realized at the time of sales. Situation B, every transaction has a twofold effect which can be expressed in assets equal to capital plus liabilities. And your question number 2 is write short notes on dual aspect concept and revenue recognition concept. So please do these questions in your copy and submit it on time. Gutei gita question tumaloke copy kori lua aru kori pine time or bhitorot submit koriba. So thank you so much students, and if you have any doubt regarding this concept you are free to call me.